Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change bank account on crypto.com. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started with the step-by-step guide on how you can change bank account on crypto.com. So log into your crypto.com on the app, then open the crypto.com app on the mobile device, then sign into your account. Then after that, tap on the account tab at the bottom of the screen, then select the flat wallet from the list. Then from there, tap the transfer button at the top right corner, then choose withdraw and then select fiat. Then you will see the list of your linked bank account. Then from there, tap on the bank account you want to change, then click remove bank or the trash icon, then confirm the removal. Then after that, go to the fiat wallet and tap transfer again, then choose withdraw, then flat, and tap on app, then bank account, then select your country and enter the new bank account details such as account number, routine number, and account name. Then after that, follow the verification process, which may include a small test deposit or a code verification. Then ensure the account holders match your crypto.com's account. Then double check all information and confirm. Wait for the new bank account to be verified, which may take a few days. And that's how you can simply change bank account on crypto.com. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thank you.